Mango magic. 5 surprising health benefits you should know. Did you know that your favorite juicy mango does more than just satisfy your sweet tooth? Mango is more than a tropical treat. It's a natural powerhouse for your skin, eyes, immune system, and more. In this video, we are uncovering 5 surprising health benefits of mango that will give you even more reasons to enjoy this king of fruits. 1. Rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene. Mangoes are loaded with vitamin A and beta-carotene, which supports healthy vision, keep your skin glowing, hydrated, and clear. 2. Packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C isn't just for citrus fruits. Mangoes are rich in it too. This vitamin boosts your immune system, aids collagen production for youthful, firm skin. 3. Great source of fiber. That sweet mango pulp also helps your digestion. It aids digestion and prevents constipation. Also, supports gut health by feeding good bacteria. 4. Loaded with antioxidants. Mangoes contain powerful antioxidants like mangoferin, quercetin, and beta-carotene. These help fight free radicals, lower inflammation, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Supports heart health. These tropical fruits also loves your heart. Mangoes provide magnesium and potassium to regulate blood pressure, may help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve heart function. Bonus tip, and here is something most people don't know. It is not just the mango fruit that is useful. Mango leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. They are rich in compounds like mangoferin, flavonoids, and phenols, which may help regulate blood sugar levels, improve respiratory health, especially in asthma or bronchitis, support kidney function, and reduce inflammation. You can make a simple mango leaf tea by boiling 5 to 6 young mango leaves in water, letting it steep overnight, and drinking it first thing in the morning. Of course, always consult your healthcare provider before adding new remedies to your routine. So, there you have it. Mangoes are so much more than a summertime treat. They are a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. They protect your eyes and skin, strengthen your immune system, help your digestion, fight oxidative stress, and even support your heart. And that's not even counting what the leaves can do. If you're a mango lover, you now have even more reasons to enjoy them guilt-free. What's your favorite way to eat mangoes? Smoothies, salads, dried slices, or just fresh off the seed? Drop it in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and share it with a fellow mango lover. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and wellness wisdom. Your body will thank you too. Thank you.